Welcome to AB Trades. This is your host Daniel Smith here to bring you my futures trading recap video for Friday. So here we have the Russell 2000 futures /RTY. This is one of my signature setups where we have a sideways market with defined ranges. So as you can see, the top purple is my resistance, and my bottom down here at 1497 was my support. So I knew coming into the market, I let it define its ranges, and once I saw the opportunities, we were making higher highs and higher lows, I knew to buy the dip once we crossed a certain level. I saw we came into resistance on a very high movement. I went ahead and covered. Let's go ahead and check out the 1 minute here. Probably paints a better picture. So as you can see, I bought, we came up above, covered my position. I saw another opportunity to buy, but wasn't sure. So I waited, we came up, we broke above the resistance. I looked for shorting opportunities, kind of took its time to complete its play. So I went ahead and covered just in terms of risk management in case this had more power to move to the upside. So overall in this trade, I closed out $90. My next trade I had for the day was in silver, so /SI. This trade is what I call a level 2 trade, where essentially if you pull up the active trader tab, I saw that there was something that you call liquidity void, where there was a low amount of sellers. So I looked to get in, so I filled in my position on the bid and closed it up just a quick one tick up. That was about $25 profit. And then for my last trade of the day, I had oil futures. Let's see if I can pull that up. Here we had a defined channel, kind of a wedge almost. So I was waiting for it to define itself. So how I define a trend is it has to have at least 2 to 3 points. So we had already validated that this bottom was clearly support. We had several tests of it. However, on this upper end, it was looking to be only 2 instances of where we had tapped it. So once we came up for the third one, I said, okay, this is clearly being defined as a wedge, which I was looking for a breakdown. So I went ahead and shorted here. I covered at support. This test kind of made me think about going long, but I said, you know what, don't overtrade, stick to your plan. If anything, this is more of a bearish setup. So we did end up breaking down, back testing, but we continued with momentum to the upside. Pretty simple trade. I kept it simple down to my simple strategies. I used a series of indicators, but I purposely don't put them in here so that it doesn't make it too complicated when I do a trade recap. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, ask Austin Bullirai about any questions you have about futures or options. Make sure to join the Discord chat, and green trading, guys. Take it easy. Bye.